Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome to another video. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening for whenever you're watching this video. So today we're here at I'll call this a mini project lawn. This lawn's here is from one of my friends. Needs a little bit of help with his lawn. Unfortunately, when he moved in, the renovation went bad. Whoever was taking care of this lawn before did a pretty horrible job, and I'm here to help him out. He's a great guy. He works with special need kids. Check him out. I'm gonna leave a link down below with his Instagram page. Support his nonprofit organization if you can, or at least check him out. Subscribe to his Instagram, give him support. He does amazing things for special need kids. And with that said, let's take a look at this lawn. I'll go through step by step of what I plan to do here today, and we'll see the progress in the upcoming weeks when I come here to mow, how everything's looking. All right guys, so let me show you what I'm working with here. So this lawn, part of an HOA program. However, the previous owner, they had a lot of rocks covering all of this instead of having grass. And when the house got sold, the owner had to take out the rocks and put some sod in. As you can see, the sod that they put in, they didn't do anything but just put the sod in. Probably didn't, even water it properly. And then when the new owners came in, more than half the grass is dead. Weeds took over because there's a lot of dead grass and a lot of patches all over the place. And it's gonna be a small project. All of this is going to be landscaped. This right here in the middle, we're gonna get it nice and green. So today what I'm gonna work on is cutting this down just a little bit. All this dead thatch, removing all of that, getting the soil to come out a little bit, and helping the grass grow more into these dead spots. I'm going to be putting some root growth stimulator and some micronutrients down into the soil to help the grass grow better. So I'm done for today here at the mini project lawn. As you saw, I went ahead and I took out some of that thatch layer, that dead grass that was on top. Revealed some of the soil, not all of it, but some of it. I laid down some root growth stimulator and also a tiny bit of fertilizer just to get things moving. Next time that I come out here, we'll remove a little bit more of that thatch layer over here and over there. And then we'll see the progress on how everything looks in this mini project lawn. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.